Disclaimer: this is not a I will teach you video. This is a hey look, this is what I learned today video. Hi, so I'm learning TypeScript and I have decided to document what I'm learning. So I think TypeScript, the TypeScript website, which is typescriptlang.org, this is a very good place to start, and because their documentation is good. So if you click on documentation and go to handbook and click basic types, you'll see that it's a long documentation, and I think if I go through all of this I'll be okay. I might not go through all of this. I think I'm planning to do a course, TypeScript course, and if I end up doing that, I might not continue going through the documentation. So let's see where it goes. I don't know but today I learned about some basic types in TypeScript, which I'm going to share and document. Basically, this is more about documenting and less about sharing. So let's start. So I think Code Sandbox is a good place to start doing anything. So I'm gonna create a TypeScript template. Yep. Let's see. Index.ts. Okay, this is good. So so let's see. Yep, this is okay. So some of the basic types that I learned today. Why can't I type? Yep, this is back. So the basic types that I learned today. I learned about string. I learned about Boolean. I learned about number. Learned about array. That's about it. And okay, so if you want to declare a variable that will contain some string, this is how you do this in TypeScript. So constant my string, and you say TypeScript that this is a string. That's it. So and this will contain a string. Okay, I'll change the name of the variable constant. This will be name. This will be my name. So my name is Sami. So this will contain my name. Boolean. So if you want to assign a Boolean value to a variable, this is how you do it. So const bool, and you say TypeScript that it is a Boolean. That's it. And let's say this is true. Yeah. So don't worry about the warning now, because I think this is coming from ESLint, and actually what it is saying, that no unused vars. This is the warning we are getting. So that means we cannot declare a variable that we do not use. So just because we are not doing anything with this variable, so ESLint is throwing us an warning. So we'll get rid of it when we use it. And if you hover over the constant, you can see that TypeScript has assigned a string type to our variable, and and if you hover over this boolean variable, that you will see that it's a boolean. Great. So number is pretty similar. My what my I don't want to say my age because I'm pretty old. Whatever. So my number, let's say it's a number, and we say it's a number, and that's it. See, TypeScript is not that difficult. At least it does not seem really difficult now, and but the array is a bit difficult. So you cannot just say array uh, like we said. This is a number. This is a boolean. Array does not work like that. Um, to assign an array to a variable, you have to say what type of array it is. So let's say our array will contain some numbers. So we have to tell TypeScript that this is an array of numbers. So the way we do it is const random random array. So if you do just array, and you just assign it a value like this, you will see that there is red underline, and generic type array requires one type arguments. Basically this is this is not something that we can do here. So we have to tell TypeScript what type of array it is. So basically this is an array of numbers, so we can say number array. So you can see that the red underline is gone, and this is coming from the previous ESLint error that no unused vars. Basically this warning will go away when we use the var. So let's say we want to make an array of string A, B, C, and D. This is an array of string. So if you have to do if you have to assign this array to a variable, what we can do is string array is the name of the variable, constant. Sorry. So we can say this is a string. This is an array of string, and the value is this. Wow. And if I hover over it, you can see that TypeScript has assigned it a type, and it's an array of string. Great. I think array will get much more complicated when we when I dive deeper into learning it. I have seen some weird looking array types. So let's see. And if I have to get rid of the warning, I can just use it. So my name, one warning gone, a bool, one warning gone, my number, another warning gone, random array, another warning gone, string array, another warning gone. You see, now we do not have any unused variables in our file, so all the warnings are gone. And if we come to the console, we can see this this was logged into our console. So my name, the boolean value 10. What is 10? 10 is our number. This is our array of numbers, and this is our array of strings. Great. That is what I learned today. Oh, okay. Bye. I'll share more more videos like this when I learn more. Goodbye.